I got money on him because I'm pretty sure he will make it. Don't let him do it.
Man, I was double teamed with no one to pass it to. So I pulled up and hit the shot for the win.
He hustled.
Way downtown.
Ty Money.
Monica, is Ty a nice guy?
He is amazing.
What? Monica?
I'm that nigga coming up, I'm just chilling with my niggas. No, we tryna get that back, tryna flex on all these haters, but that's never gonna stop.
Ty Money.
What's good, YouTube? We're back again at the same park, man. You know, we're back again at the same park. You guys see that guy over there? He said he's trying to play me, so we're finna get a quick game going, and hopefully I can get a quick dub today, man, you know? Hey, I can get one of y'all to film for me or what?
I'm good. I can.
You can? You a good cameraman?
I am.
Because I don't want the game to be over there and you looking over there, bro.
Okay.
Alright. So tell him what your name is, bro. My name is Jimmy. So you hoop or what? Yeah. You hoop? What are grade you in? 12th grade? Alright, bro. We're finna get this quick game going. What are you trying to go to? 15? 15? Alright. So 1s and 2s, 15.
Ty Money.
I haven't seen how this man played, so this is my first time playing him. He might be good, I don't know.
He probably. Zero 0326 06.
What?
You asked it from my phone password. 0326. Zero 0326.
Ty Money.
He scored, right?
I don't know. He probably.
Yeah.
He scored. I think you scored.
3-1.
Dang. That's called creepy. Put it on the bench. There's so much sand.
Ty Money.
Time money.
It's just me. It's just me.
You a good cameraman?
I am.
Because I don't want the game to be over there and you looking over there, bro.
Okay.
Alright. Time money.
Not a bad game. Okay. You better go be right like that then.
Time money.
Tape. Oh, that was close. That would have been nice.
Time money.
9-8. 9-8 tie score games. No, is that?
Time money.
Ooh. So 11-8 guys. 10. Well, that can be. About to be. She almost made it. Cameraman almost got took out. We're at the park on Southwest. So this is a good. We're in Florida, not LA. It's almost expected. They're getting very aggressive. Jaden is going for the moose. Jaden almost made it. Game's almost about to be over. They're going to 20. So, yep. Ooh. He almost made it. That was close. Hey, rim. Now you gotta take. He made it. Let us fit in a little. See his YouTube channel. just a random guy at the park. Ooh, almost made it. Okay. Walking a lot. Okay, then. Almost made it. It's gonna be 15-11. Everybody knows he's still cracking. Bet D is the best. Put it up. Ooh.
Tie money.
It's getting close to tie. It's getting close. Look at that. Dang, getting at the move. Game saved it, so it's about to be out. Oh, can't really take it back. And that looks like
money. Just taking a little break real quick. Score is currently 14-13, man. Who you got, cameraman?
I think we got money on you.
You got money on me? Why is that? Because it's a close game. It's not like you could tell who's really gonna win.
Because he plays aggressive, and you try like shooting like threes a lot.
Yeah.
So if he try to keep shooting threes, it could probably be.
How you feeling, man?
I'm a little tired.
Tired?
Yeah, but I can't just come.
I'm tired too, bro. I'm out here popping a sweat. Tired as
So
hell.
you got deuce, right?
Yeah.
Got two.
14-13, man. You ready?
Yeah, come on.
Alright.
14-13, keep that in. 14-13, keep it in. 14-14. Tie score. Let's do this. If he makes this 3-point shot, he will probably end up winning this. And room to get back. Make a good play for it. Play for it. Hustle. Okay. Almost had it. Hustle. Backboard. And in. 14-14. Let's get it. He hustling. If he make this. Ooh. I got money on him because I'm pretty sure he will make it. Don't let him do it.
Man, I was double teamed with no one to pass it to, so I pulled up and hit the shot for the win.
He hustling.
Way downtown. Bang! Bang! Oh, what a shot from
Tie money. Cameraman right there. Good shit, bro. Appreciate you, bro. Oh man. Tie money. Last second shot at the end, man. I had to bring out my little Mamba instinct right there. Told y'all, bro. I had to get that win for this channel, so let's get it going.
What's up, bro?
You want to shot?
We gotta run it back, bro.
Huh?
We gotta run it back.
We gonna run it back right now, bro. For sure. But any last thing you got to say, bro?
I'm getting this one.
All right.
What can I say? Mamba out.